Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today, I've been waiting very long just for this. So today I got all my Hot Wheels cases, or whatever you call them, here today. They used to be under my table, but now they're all gone. It's wood, and I love this new design wood. But yeah, here they all are. I think I went to the store, I bought like a bunch and showing how much I bought. And I think there's like 50 of these here, I think. I'm not sure. But I counted, there's 50, but I spent like 7 for $10. I bought like a lot. And I always try to find good ones, but they don't really have good ones, which I'm trying to find. But yeah, here they all are. And also there's some Matchbox too. But here's the Bugatti Devo right here. 2017 Bugatti Devo. Put it right here. Here we got the custom 2011 Camaro from my last video. 2019 Audi R8 Spider. We got a McLaren 570S and the 750S. We got an Audi RS S5 complete. Got a 2014 Ford Mustang. Got a banana car. Got a banana. I actually had two. Here we got a Porsche Pomeranian Turbo SE Hybrid Sport Pomeranian. Got a McLaren P1. 1976 Greenwood Corvette. Mazda RX-7. Got Fast and Furious Spy Kid Racer. 2018 Dodge Challenger SRT Demon. Whatever this is, 8 crate. Got 1989 Mazda 7 X RX-7 FC something. And then here we got 1949 Volkswagen Beetle pickup. I like this one though. And you got a tiny Honda, which is not a Honda anymore, a half Honda. We got the Shelby GT 500. We got the 2020 Corvette C8, which I have right here. Here it is. Got it right here. And I got the 1984 Point Check Firebird. No, I'm just gonna randomly throw them. Here we got a it's from a track store, and it's called Bulletproof. I have the car somewhere, which I don't know where. And we got a Pagani 2017, Lamborghini 2016 Lamborghini Centenario Roadster, 1969 Chevy X Racers, 2019 Audi R8 Spider again. These two. And then I got this 1943 Plymouth Sedan, 2020 Chevy Impala. It's like some sport car race. I got a Volvo 850 Asset, Land Rover Defender 90. Oh, got a 2019 Mercedes-Benz A-Class, which is special. 2020 Ford Mustang Shelby GT. You know, I'm gonna do this a little faster. Got Tesla Model 3. Got the cool. Got the special Bentley. Porsche 914 Safari. Boy. Got the Jaguar Project 8. Got the Honda Got the Honda 7 I got the 2019 Kia GT. Spider-Man. 2017 Lamborghini Urus. Got this 2010 Pro stock Camaro, and this stock engine, but this is actually a Camaro funny car. I got a custom Ford GT Racer, Lamborghini Urus, 2017 blue. Let's just look at the pile, but yeah, got a Dodge Charger 500, pretty old though. I got the cool Columbia Hello Kitty. Got the 1964 Chevrolet S. Look at the airplane A110 Cup. Jaguar 2020 F-Type. There we go. Subaru YRX built. Oh, last one you got Alfa Romeo 2016 Alfa Romeo Grillo. It's a pretty cool car. But then the last, finally, We got the Star Wars Ray car. Here it is. This one's actually a really big one. But yeah, guys, this is the end of the video. I hope you guys liked it. And I got a lot of cleaning up to do. But yeah, guys, I also forgot one thing. That I do have one more somewhere. It is a Batman one. But still, that's really nothing to worry. And these but yeah. That's when it's, well, guys, just end the video. Like and subscribe. Subscribe for 2 if your friends will comment, maybe. But yeah, here's the Orbeez. They're starting to grow. So that's good. I need to put them in a bigger case, or they're going to get small again. So, yeah, bye-bye. And so I'm going to do something with these, too. But yeah, bye.